Going to the check. Storage compartment. Rear front seats, plastic, very good condition. And again on the other side, cup holders here work but are quite sticky in their motion. Carpets all original, clean. Door cards, condition. Front door card. Condition. Front seat. Bolster. Slight off colouring, but no tears, rips, or anything like that. Electric seat. I don't know if I need the ignition on. No, that's moving. Headrest. Electronic. Tilt. Tilt back. Seat height. Working. Extended leg rest. Working. Memory seats. Go to the other side. Rear left door card. And a view from the seats. Passenger side. Electric seat. Tilt. Headrests. And again extendable breast. Dash. Present, no buttons missing, cracks, damage, none at all. Slight little cupping onto the passenger side there. Glove box, excuse the mess, BMW torch present. Steering wheel, excellent condition. Pedals, all present, in good condition.